Hello everyone, this is Teacher Nori. Let us start learning in our Nth world. Today we're going to learn how to format your computer units using Windows Server 2008 R2. The CD or DVD where you have saved your installer. And then next, of course, the external CD or DVD-ROM, which we use to read your installer. First, you need to insert the CD or DVD into the CD-ROM. And then you may now proceed on entering the BIOS setup by pressing the delete key from your keyboard. And then once you are in the BIOS setup utility, all you need to do is to move from main menu to the boot options, and then make sure that the first boot device should be the CD and DVD. And then after that, you may now press S10 to save and exit the BIOS setup. Okay, at this point you need to press S1 from your keyboard to continue. And then you need to press any key to boot from CD. Just wait as Windows is loading files. Leave language to install English, time and currency format English United States, keyboard or input method US. So just click next to continue. And then click install now. Okay, and select the operating system you want to install. Just select Windows Server 2008 R2 Standard Full Installation. And then click Next. And then click on I accept the license terms and then click Next. Click on Custom Advanced. And then where do you want to install Windows? Click on Drive Options Advanced. And then delete all partitions you see. So we start with this partition 4. Next, this partition 3. Click on delete. Okay. And then this partition 2. Delete. Then okay. And then the last one. Okay. So at this point, we're going to create new partition. Click on new and then type, say for example, 500,000 MB. And then click apply and then click OK. Okay, and then click on the unallocated space, click apply. And then select this partition 3, click on format, click OK. And then on this partition 4, click format and then click OK. And then select this partition 3 and then click next. At this point, all you need to do is to wait for the installation wizard to finish copying Windows files, expanding Windows files, installing features, installing updates, and completing the installation. That's all the information we need right now. Your computer will restart several times during installation. As you can see, setup is now completing installation. At this point, setup is now preparing your computer for first use. The error message says the user's password must be changed before logging in on the first time. You just need to click OK. And then on this part, you just need to input the administrator password, which is Windows-Server-2008, and of course, you need to confirm the password. And then after that, press the enter key. And then click OK. Now, the setup is preparing your desktop. Okay, congratulations! You're now done in the installation of Windows Server 2008 R2.